Be honest with yourself for a second. How much of this year did you actually spend learning skills that can make you money? How many times did you say, I'm going to start something new, and then stopped a few weeks later? Here's the reality: degrees are valuable, but they're not the only path anymore. In 2026 and beyond, your income will increasingly come from skills you can apply and monetize, whether alongside school, a job, or your main career. Today, I'm breaking down skills that will be in high demand in 2026, how much they can pay, how long they take to learn, and how you can start even with little or no money. The world is changing fast. AI is replacing repetitive work. Entry-level roles are getting more competitive. The people who stand out aren't just qualified, they know how to use tools, solve problems, and create value. And the best part, most of these skills are affordable to learn. Many are completely free. You can learn on YouTube, from free educators, or even use AI tools like ChatGPT to build your own learning roadmap. For example, two friends decided to learn video editing. One bought a course. The other used free YouTube tutorials. 3 months later, both were landing small clients. The real difference wasn't money, it was accountability. They checked in weekly and taught each other what they learned. That structure made all the difference. Skill number 1, AI and automation. This includes prompt engineering, AI workflows, using ChatGPT for business, and automation tools like Zapier or Notion. Why it matters: companies don't just want AI, they want people who know how to make it useful. This skill can earn around $500 a month as a beginner, $2,000 at an intermediate level, and $5,000 plus long-term, takes about 1 to 3 months to learn, has easy to medium difficulty, and is in extremely high demand. Tip: ask ChatGPT to create a 12-week beginner to intermediate roadmap with practice projects. Follow it daily, and you'll build real examples, not just knowledge. Skill number 2, video editing. Short-form content is everywhere: Reels, TikTok, YouTube Shorts. Attention equals value, and editors help control attention. This skill can earn around $300 a month as a beginner, $1,500 to $3,000 at an intermediate level, and $5,000 plus long-term, takes about 2 to 4 months to learn, has medium difficulty, and is in very high demand. Tip: start by editing your own content. Then offer services to small creators or businesses. Team up with a friend, one focuses on software, the other on storytelling. Skill number 3, sales and copywriting. If you can sell, you'll always be valuable. Online sales, email marketing, funnels, and messaging are only growing. This skill takes 1 to 3 months to learn, has a medium difficulty, is in high demand, and can earn $500 to $1,000 a month as a beginner, around $3,000 at an intermediate level, and $10,000 or more long-term. Best part: you can practice immediately with real products and real results. Skill number 4, UI/UX design. Every app or website you use was designed by someone, and those skills pay well. This skill typically takes 3 to 6 months to learn, has a medium learning curve, is in high demand, and can generate around $700 a month at a beginner level, about $2,500 at an intermediate level, and $6,000 or more long-term. Tip: use Figma and free YouTube tutorials. If you buy a course, split it with a friend, learn together and teach each other. Skill number 5, data analytics. Excel, SQL, Power BI, and storytelling with data help companies make better decisions, and they pay for that clarity. This skill takes around 4 to 6 months to learn, has a medium to advanced learning curve, is in high demand, and can earn about $800 a month as a beginner, around $3,000 at an intermediate level, and up to $8,000 or more long-term. How to start, without spending much. Free YouTube tutorials. Paid courses split with a friend. One learns, one teaches. Use ChatGPT for learning plans. Practice 1 to 2 hours daily. Set a clear goal, like, by June 2026, I will learn video editing, practice 1 hour a day, create 5 sample projects, and earn my first $300. That's how learning turns into income. Growth is easier with accountability. Learn with a friend. Practice together. Teach weekly. Celebrate small wins. That structure speeds everything up. Here's the real truth. In 2026, the biggest risk isn't failing, it's being replaceable. Pick one skill. Commit 6 months. Build a portfolio. Start earning on the side. Your future self won't thank you with motivation, they'll thank you with options. If you want practical, real-world skills and tips that help you build wealth early, subscribe and follow Young Money Academy.